micro:bit. I thought there was lots of things to learn in micro:bit, and it's very fun since it's like a mind challenger.
Sensor bit and the smartphone kits, since I thought it was just gonna be only attached to one thing, but you can do almost anything with it. There's a ton of sensors and they can be used for very creative purposes.
I wanted to learn more about 3D modeling and 3D printing since I find it really fascinating and cool. Fortunately, we did do some 3D modeling using the convenient website called Onshape, and we did some 3D printing with the 3D printer.
The most exciting part is learning how to use EDU Pico with sensors and actually building things. I also enjoyed the 3D modeling, and seeing my design come to real life was amazing with the 3D printer.
It is quite impressive for me to see not only the secondary school but from the primary school the student is already exposed to the basic programming and also the technology of AI. So it is good for them start from the primary school and until secondary school to get exposed on this all the latest technology such as AI and also the basic programming.
Thank you.
Thank you.